Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to be reviewing AIApply, which is an AI-driven platform designed to streamline the job application process by automating and optimizing the key tasks. So if you want to considering using AIApply, make sure to check out the link in the description for the latest details and offers. So here AIApply is an intuitive platform that actually leverages AI intelligence to assist job seekers in creating tailored applications, preparing for interviews and managing their job search efficiently. Here if I talk about the pros of this particular platform, so you are going to get personalized application materials. You can just take a look at it over here. So AIApply actually is going to provide job seekers like you with tailored applications including resumes, cover letters, instantly generated with the help of AI. The second thing is AI interview preparation. So it actually offers real-time personalized coaching and feedback to help users excel in job interviews using advanced AI models. You will also get the auto apply functionality here, which will enable you to automatically apply to multiple jobs listings. Here if I talk about the cons, so there is a learning curve. While AIApply offers a range of powerful tools, new users may experience a learning curve as they familiarize themselves with the platform's full capabilities. The second thing is that the resume translation has some limitations. So the resume translation features currently supports only 6 European languages, which may limit accessibility for non-native speakers. So if you are seeking to enhance your job application process with AI-driven tools, AIApply is a comprehensive solution. Its features like personalized application materials, AI interview preparation, and auto apply functionality make it a valuable asset for job seekers who are aiming to streamline their efforts and increase the success rates. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.